So this is just plain water with a little bit of that residue on there. And I'm trying to prevent it from sticking. So I'm just letting the weight of the blade basically just guiding it along the stone. Okay, now I'm going to try some soap. To really fine tune that, because I don't know if you could hear that. I was going in like no pressure whatsoever. And with the uneven wear on the spine, it makes it so this wants to tip really easy. I just did it. Hopefully I didn't screw everything I did up. Still feels like it's cutting in the right spot, or making contact. But yeah, that's the problem with the spine. And I just want to share how much of a difference it made doing that, because this thing would not take an edge. The bevel was huge, of course, if you saw it. And just was not getting an even hone wear across the whole bevel, because it was like completely missing over here, hitting there, missing there. You know how it goes when you're doing vintage razors. But once you get that eureka moment where you got it and you fix it, it's like, it's just so gratifying and satisfying. I was trying to say those two words at the same time. And this was just a glycerin based soap, or glycerin soap. I can't remember if it was Mama Bear's or not, but it scents real nice. This is awkward. But what I can feel, that's why I do this, is I want to be able to feel how the bevel, the texture on my skin. So I'm going to do it up here because it's a little bit safer, more comfortable. But this is to gauge how the blade feels. If you have a foil or whatnot, that can make itself pretty obvious. But this feels pretty good. I think it's going to be a very keen cutting. That's like no pressure. So I hope you enjoyed it. See my wrinkled fingers? And see that catch the light of the bevel, which it looks like it's not wanting to do. Maybe this side I can get it. Yeah. But that's that done. Oil this up. So I'll be ready for test out and further cleanup later on. I appreciate you watching, taking care, and all the support and the wonderful community out there. It's been really great. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you later.